everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add day of the week alongside of date in Windows 11 Taskbar. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11, right? So you can see here on the right bottom corner you can see a date, right? But you don't see a day of the week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So how to bring here a day with a week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? So for this, what you need to do, just move your cursor to the date or the time and just right click on here, and now you can see an option here, adjust date and time. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below and you can see your additional clock, right? Just click on it. Now it will open date and time, right? You can see here on the left top corner one tab written as date and time. Just click on it. Now under this you can see here change date and time. Just click on it. Now once again you can see here below sense calendar settings. Just click on it. And once again you can see here below additional settings. Just click on it. Now here what you need to do, you can see here on the right side date, right? Just click on it. Now by default you can see here it's written a short date, right? So you can see what it stands. DD means D or DD equal to a day, triple D and a 4D equal to day of the week. So we want this one to include here, right? So if you want a day of the week just before the date, that is means before on the left side, that is on the left side, if you want, then you can just add here either triple D or 4D. So triple D stands will be in the shortcut, and if you want a full name of the day of the week like Monday, then you can just add a 4D. So let me show you an example. So here I will just try with the triple D. So what will it display when we type a triple D? So let me type and hit a space. So we'll put a space. You can keep it without a space also, but putting it with a space will give you more a nice look. So once you have typed this, just click on apply. Voila, now you can see on the left side of the date, that is the calendar, you can see it's written the day of the week, that is today is a Tuesday. So it's showing us in the short manner. So if you want a complete name of the day of the week, then just add one more D here and just click on apply. Voila, now you can see a full name of the day of the week. So if you want on the right side, just do the same tricks. Now instead of adding this D, just add a D on the right side. Say we'll try with a triple D in the short form and just click on apply. Now it will be placed on the right side. So if you want a full name, then just add one more D and click on apply. Now it will display the complete name of the day of the week. So if you don't need it again, then you can just remove it back and just click on apply. So it won't show you the day of the week anymore. So this is how you can add day of the week alongside of date in Windows 11 Taskbar very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.